भाई साहब क्या बना रखा है भाई। विजय माल्या को इंडिया वापस लाओ।
विजय माल्या को इंडिया पालाव।
तुम्हारा भाई ऐसे सोता है, ऐसे उठता है और ऐसे ही चला जाता है। तो भाई मैं तुम्हें अंबानी की नगरी दिखा चुका हूँ। आज मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ विजय माल्या की नगरी जो बेंगलोर में है, जिसका नाम है यूबी सिटी, यूनाइटेड ब्रूरीज। तो भाई दिखाते हैं आपको। वहाँ पे उसकी बिल्डिंग है, उसके ऊपर उसका महल है भाई। मजाक नहीं कर रहा, पूरा एक टावर है, उसके ऊपर कोठी है, सोचो आप। तो भाई जाने से पहले तुम्हें अपना आउटफिट दिखा देता हूँ। तो भाई ये आउटफिट है तुम्हारे भाई का। ओके, डेनिम जैकेट, ब्लैक शर्ट, ये और ये मेरे 5-6 साल पुराने जूते। सही में 5-6 साल पुराने हैं भाई। ये मैंने लिए थे जब मैं 12वीं क्लास में था, जब से सेम साइज़ है, मतलब मेरे जूते का साइज़ बड़ा नहीं है, समझ रहे हो। और ये लिया है भाई, एक मतलब दिया है मेरे को, किसी ने गिफ्ट दिया है। कैसा लग रहा है? बड़ी क्लोज है, वो बताएंगे कौन है जिसने दिया है। बढ़िया लग रहा है ना? लकी है मेरे लिए, उसने मंत्र फूका था ऐसे करके। बस थैंक यू। चलो भाई लेट्स गो। तो बुलाइए भाई यहाँ पे रैपिडो तुम्हारे भाई ने। कैब बड़ी महंगी है बेंगलोर में, रैपिडो आ जाती है 150 रुपये कैब, 550-600। मतलब अमीर लोग रहते हैं ना यहाँ पे, सारे स्टार्टअप फाउंडर्स। चलो भैया 9393 हो जाओ भाई रेडी भारत का सबसे तगड़ा बंगला देखने के लिए। 3, 2, 1। भाई साहब क्या बना रखा है भाई, देख लो पूरा टावर है, किंगफिशर टावर है, उसके ऊपर बंगला देखो तुम भाई यार। किंगफिशर टावर्स और उसके ऊपर देख लो भाई, कोठिया है, महल है, मेंशन है, पता नहीं क्या है भाई ये। भाई गरीब आदमी 1 रुपये टैक्स में नहीं बचा सकता। ये भाई सब 10,000 करोड़, 15,000 करोड़, 50,000 करोड़ के घोटाले करके ऐसा घर बना के, ऐसा टावर बना के मौज मारते हैं भाई। लंदन में रह रहे हैं, वही तो है भाई। बट देखो यार, तुम्हें अगर दोबारा दे, मैं तो भाई मजाक नहीं कर रहा, पलक नहीं झपका रहा, जब मुझसे देख रहा हूँ ऐसे खोल के देख रहा हूँ, आँख में झपकाई उत्कर्ष। भाई यार भैया उस घर में रहता है अभी कोई? कौन रहता है? मतलब वो तो सरकार ने ले लिया होगा वह ना? सरकार ने नहीं लिया, रहता है कोई? विजय माल्या का बेटा रहता है? कोई नहीं रहता। अच्छा क्लीनिंग होता है, खाली पड़ा है। और ये तो बिल्डिंग है, टावर, इसमें अपार्टमेंट है बिल्डिंग में भी ये? अच्छा मेरे को लगा ऑफिस है, ये सारी रेजिडेंशियल अपार्टमेंट है। अच्छा नीचे रहता है कोई इसमें? रहते हैं भाई साहब, नीचे ही मिल जाए एक फ्लैट है, जिंदगी सेट हो जाए भैया। भाई यार कितने करोड़ का होगा यार ये? कम से कम 2,000-3,000 करोड़ भाई। व्हाट अमेजिंग प्लेस, देख रहे हो। और इस पूरी जगह का नाम यूबी सिटी है, यूनाइटेड ब्रूरीज, क्योंकि भाई वो भी देख रहे हो आप, यूबी भाई जो विजय माल्या की कंपनी किंगफिशर, उसकी पेरेंट कंपनी यूबी है, तो उसके नाम से। और यहाँ पे ये मॉल बना रखा है भाई, पता नहीं ये भी विजय माल्या ने बना रखा है, किसने बना रखा है। बहुत तगड़ा मॉल है भाई, पता है कैसे कैसे स्टोर है इसमें। जिमी चू, लुई विटॉन, डियोर, गुची, मतलब वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फैंसी प्लेस इन बेंगलोर। और भाई क्या घर था, बैक करके दोबारा देख लेना, कर देंगे इस जन्म में, कर देंगे पापा, मतलब 3-4 जन्म भी लग सकते हैं, बट करूँगा ज़रूर। और भाई एक मेरी दोस्त है, वो ऋषिकेश मिली थी मुझे, तो उसका टेक्स्ट आया अभी मेरे पास, मेरी स्टोरी देख के बेंगलोर की, कि यू आर इन बेंगलोर। हाँ आई एम इन बेंगलोर। कह रही मिलते हैं, ओके। तो वो उसको बुलाया मैंने, यहाँ आ रही है आधे घंटे में, उससे भी मिलाते हैं, खाएंगे पियेंगे, मजे हमारे। दोस्त से मिलने से पहले एक बार बात देख लेते हैं अपने, सही है ना? सही क्या, मेरे ऐसे ही रहते हैं 24 घंटे। तो भाई सपना ऐसे महल का है, गुड़गांव में तो कोठी गाड़ी देंगे, समझे, सपना बड़ा होना चाहिए। बट भाई विजय माल्या ने क्या कहर उठा रखा है, अलग ही है भाई वो आदमी, देख रहे हो, टावर है नीचे, उसके ऊपर भाई साहब महल अलग से। भाई इतना पैसा ना, सच्ची बता रहा हूँ, स्कैम करके आ सकता है। चाहे कुछ कर लो, चाहे तुम कितना बड़ा बिजनेस कर लो भाई, बिजनेस में 10 करोड़, 20 करोड़, 100 करोड़, 200 करोड़, 500 करोड़, 50,000 करोड़ का स्कैम करना 2 नंबर के काम में होता भाई। करके भाग जाना, सरकार पकड़ के ला भी नहीं पा रही भाई। सरकार, मैं बता रहा हूँ, अगर आप लंदन चले गए, लंदन में टैक्सेस भर रहे हो, लंदन आपको ऐसे रख लेगा, ऐसे किसी को नहीं देगा। देख लो जितने भी नीरव मोदी हो गया, विजय माल्या हो गया, कोई भी अगर आप हो ना, अगर स्कैम करके भाग जाओगे, वापस नहीं ला पाएंगे भाई, लंदन आपको बचा लेगा। इंडियन अगर लंदन में कोई कर देना है ऐसा, भाई साहब घर में घुस के ले जाएं, समझ रहे हो। भारत की सरकार थोड़ी लीनियंट है इन चीज़ों में। भाई आ गई है मेरी दोस्त। यू हैव टू पिक विच वन इज वेज, विच वन इज नॉन वेज।
Okay, I don't know. This one.
हाँ, विच वन इज नॉन वेज, विच वन इज वेज।
This is also veg.
नो सी चिकन।
No.
Yeah.
Wait.
Sea
Oh
chicken,
yeah, you're
yeah.
right. Okay.
You guessed it wrong.
Cheers.
Tell me how spicy it is for you. Like,
Okay.
yeah. On the scale of 1 to 10.
Okay.
Indian food is really spicy.
Okay. Not spicy.
No spicy?
No.
Really? So, what's the most crazy thing you have seen in India till now? Yeah. In Bangalore, especially.
Mangalore. Driving with a tuk-tuk through the river.
Okay, huh? Through the river. Yeah, you told me this.
Yeah.
And she told me one thing, like, if you are from outside and you come to India, you are a star. Because everyone is like, selfie, selfie.
Okay, yeah, that's actually crack up. So,
Yeah.
at like a whole school class, someone came to me and was like, "Excuse me, ma'am, can I take a picture with you?" I'm like, "Yeah, sure, okay." Taking one picture, like, hey. And then the next person came, and then they started lining up,
Yeah.
one person after the other, and then they did a
You
whole.
must be feeling so good, by the way, like when they were coming. Oh, you were feeling weird. Like when they were coming to have picture
It was
with.
really cute and innocent somehow,
Yeah.
because they were like very respectful, and they were like kind of like keeping like 20 centimeters distance, like, you know, like standing there.
Weird है ऐसे थोड़ी. Let's come, yeah. Now I'll teach you a few Hindi words, you'll teach me some German words, okay?
Okay,
Ready for it?
ready.
It might be really hard for you. This is your first time like speaking Hindi, right?
Yeah.
Bangalore बहुत प्यारी जगह है. Repeat after me.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Bangalore बहुत प्यारी जगह है. It must be really hard for you. Like Bangalore बड़ी प्यारी जगह है.
Okay.
Bangalore बड़ी
Bangalore Bari,
प्यारी जगह है.
Tiari Janare.
Yeah. Now say it in one flow.
Bangalore Puri Jana hai.
Now
What
ask.
does it mean?
Bangalore is a really nice place.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a really nice place.
Bangalore Puri Jana hai.
Yeah. Bangalore puri chana hai. Now tell me some hard German words
Okay.
which you think I can't say.
Eichhörnchen.
Huh?
Eichhörnchen.
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 Hey, that's actually not bad.
Yeah. Second. Yeah.
But
What's the meaning of this?
squirrel.
Squirrel.
Oh, you can't say it in English either.
Squirrel. केरी इंग्लिश में भी नहीं बोल पाता. विजय माल्या को भारत वापस लाओ.
Which Maharajah Haran was
विजय माल्या को भारत वापस लाओ.
Which Mahalagut Manamasa.
Angry, be angry, like
Oh.
show anger on your face. I'm
Okay,
saying
okay.
bring Vijay Malla back in India. He took our money, that guy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vijay Malla को इंडिया वापस लाओ.
Which Malago India Palavsa. Slowly.
विजय माल्या
Which Mala
को इंडिया
Go India
वापस लाओ.
Vapaslav.
Yeah, now say this in one
Which
go.
Makola India Vapaslav.
This is nice.
I feel like I'm speaking more like Portuguese.
You can be a local, like you can speak Hindi in 3 months.
Yeah, I'm local.
What do you know?
Pura pura hum shiatan sara sara pachnala hamse.
Oh, bhai. You're a half Indian, I'm telling you. The samosa thing, that thing, samosa song.
Yes.
Ah.
Una samosa, dos samosas, para mí hermosa, también preciosa. Samosa, samosa.
I wanna buy that house, like in Germany. How much would it cost?
Probably like 6 mil.
6 million.
Yeah.
That's nothing. We can like do it in 2 videos.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna build a house in Berlin.
Yeah, Berlin, one in India, one in Bangalore. You are not in the heels, right?
What?
You are not in the heels, right?
No, this is not here.
Yeah. So I've heard like South Africans are really athletic. Come here, come here. So, like this is the line. We have to run till. Come here, come here, come here. This is the line.
Okay.
We have to run till washroom. Let's see who reaches faster. Okay. 3.
To the bathroom.
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't want to run.
I swear I'll run.
Okay, okay.
3, 2, 1, go. I'm running. Come. You guys are really athletic. Why can't you show me? Where's the washroom? Where's the washroom? I'm following you. Where's the washroom, yaar? Lisa. Bye. See you. Oh भाई मैं उसी में जाने का मन कर रहा था बट रोक गया. क्या हाल है सर? बढ़िया. ओ भाई सुसु तो नहीं करना, बाली सेट कर लेते हैं भाई. Lisa,
Yeah.
I'm telling you one thing.
Tell me.
There are so many handsome guys in India. If someone likes you and he's like sliding into DMs, he's like,
Okay.
Lisa, after watching this video, he's like, Lisa, you're so cute. What do you want to say to him?
Hey. Thank you.
Lisa, one day we'll have to buy a house like this. We have to work hard, okay? See, that's our motivation.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah.
I think you could just break in there actually.
There's no one living
there's
there.
No one home.
There's no one living there.
Should we try to break in?
Let's go.
Should we try to break in?
Yeah.
How are we gonna get there?
भैया उसमें जा सकते हैं ऊपर? नहीं जा सकते, कोई रहता है उसमें?
हाँ वो अपार्टमेंट है
अच्छा.
Okay.
Yeah. So what's your plan now? You'll go to Bombay, then after that you'll go to
Goa.
Goa with
Yeah. Oh, are you also coming?
If you will touch this, you are dead.
It's
You are really dead.
dangerous.
You are really dead.
How often does it happen that people just die in public because they touch this?
They don't die, but like when they touch it, they just do it like this.
Okay, show me.
No. Are you mad or crazy? भाई मरवाना चाहती है? Why you want me to die?
Huh?
Why you want me to die? I don't have any money. I just have 50 rupees in my pocket.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not worth then, hey?
These are the most dangerous things. See.
What?
These are the transformers. If you like touch any of these, you are gone.
No.
Yeah.
Really? Even if you cross the street,
Yeah.
like okay, not here, but sometimes they have like 6 cars next to each other and they're all going like square and bikes and everything, and then you have to go, and it never stops because there's no traffic lights.
There are no traffic
So you
lights.
just have to go and hope they stop. Okay, guys, I'm tired of walking, so I decided I'm gonna buy a car.
I don't have money. Lisa, you have money?
Oh, I thought you were gonna pay.
I have 20 rupees. How can we go inside?
I thought you were gonna pay.
I don't have
For
money.
the car.
Let's go.
I thought you were gonna pay for the
Let's go
car.
in tuk tuk. Guys, now we will sing together because she's really nice singer and
one,
I'm also a
the two.
really great singer.
The 1, 2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
Tell me a song, yeah.
Una samosa,
Una samosa,
tu samosa,
tu samosa,
para mí hermosa
tere mi hermosa,
y también preciosa.
eto mani pomiosa.
Samosa, samosa.
Now you'll have to repeat an Indian song I'll sing, okay?
Okay.
Now repeat after me. Do kude magna, char ji wagana.
What?
Do kude magna, char ji wagana.
Todo kuna tatana. No, again.
Just the attitude matters.
Again.
Lyrics don't matter.
Okay, again.
Do kude magna, char ji wagana.
Todo kuri merna, chaji magna.
उत्ते नु में 6 इंच चकियां.
Change mention taka.
उत्ते नु में 6 इंच चकियां यार का.
No,
Samosa one is better. Your song is better than mine.
but we can try new songs.
Yeah. That song you were singing, that your friend used to play in the hostel. That song. What was that? You were singing a song. That was really nice.
Oh, bure hum shaitan.
Zara bachna re humse. Bure hum humse gam. Zara bachna. It's a super hit song of its time.
Hey, it's sick. I love it.
It's a really old song by the
You
way.
can't listen to the song and be sad.
Yeah.
If you ever sad-
Bore hum humse hum. Zara bachna re humse. Bhai sahab. Oh, she knows tune as well. Shahid Kapoor shared her song, guys. You know, Shahid Kapoor is a really big celebrity. After me, obviously. You know me. I'm a really big celebrity in India. Did you know this?
Yeah, of course.
You're like, oh yeah, of course.
Yeah. I saw you on TV. That's how we met, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's a big fan of mine, guys. She was like, oh, I wanna meet you. Utkarsh, please meet me. Then I was like, okay.
That's exactly what happened.
Yeah, I was like, okay, let's meet. You have to do like.
But I have to be serious. Wait, I can actually do it. Wait.
Yeah. अरे क्या बात है. Lisa say this. चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को
Chindik chachi, ka.
चांदनी चौक में
Chane ki chokre.
चांदी की चम्मच से.
Changi sambase. Keep going.
The way you say the expression you make, that's really funny.
Chingari.
चंदू की चाची को चांदनी चौक में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई.
Chick.
You're buying me my first car, right?
Okay, now we're gonna go shopping because we don't want to walk anymore.
Yeah.
So we're gonna buy a car.
Which car? Lamborghini. You're buying me a Lamborghini, really? Lisa, really? Oh, why? You're getting me Lamborghini, really?
Yeah. Which color do you want?
I want yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah. बंद हो गया? चलो. It's closed.
Okay, we have to go back another time. That means we have to walk.
What's your favorite drink? in the world.
Mango lassi.
I thought you would say wine, whiskey or something. You are saying mango lassi, really?
Yes. And second favorite is chocolate milk.
Oh.
And oh, actually, no, I take that back. My favorite drink is sparkling water.
I love that.
Yeah.
I also like ginger ale. You like ginger ale?
Yeah, or ginger beer is better.
Ginger beer is better.
Yeah.
भाई मुझे तो पसंद है दूध भाई दूध. I like milk, you know. Really.
Milk.
Yeah.
Are you a baby cow?
I'm a baby cow. I like milk. I like yogurt. Do that again.
You know, in Germany, chocolate milk comes out of purple cows.
Okay. Purple cows? Like
Yeah, milk cow, you know?
Color of cows are purple.
Yes.
Yeah, purple.
Yeah, we have purple cows, and then they, yeah.
ये क्या चल रहा है भाई?
Yeah, and then chocolate milk comes out of them. So we don't have to mix powder with milk. We just have purple cows and chocolate milk.
Don't
comes
fuck
out.
with me. Don't fuck with me. Really?
Yes, it's called the Milka cow.
भाई साहब.
Species for itself.
Like cow must be eating Hershey's syrup. I think so.
yeah.
भाई सीधा chocolate milk cow से पता नहीं.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should really go to Germany.
I'll take you to Delhi. You'll take me to Germany.
I think it's worth going to Delhi.
I think so. If I'm there, it's worth it. If I'm not there,
They're not.
there's no use of
You know
going.
where I want to go?
Where?
I want to go to the Bollywood studios.
Mumbai.
Is it Mumbai?
It's in Mumbai.
Yeah.
I think so. मैं तो गला खराब. Lisa, where are you taking me? I'm new to this city.
Me too. Oh no, I'm more local than you now.
You're
I'm
more,
the local in
Yeah.
Bangalore and he's the tourist.
Yeah, it's been 2 days I'm here. It's been two
Yeah,
weeks
for
you're
so
here.
long. I'm
Yeah.
basically a local. Okay. I'm gonna lead the way.
So where are we going next? After Bangalore, we are going to Goa, or we are going to Switzerland, or Germany, or Berlin, or where?
To Goa.
To Goa.
Yeah. You know, in Germany we have a music style called Goa.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it's Psytrance. In Germany we call Psytrance Goa.
Oh, trance music. You say Goa.
Yeah.
You have to repeat after me. Sambar, idli, dosa, chutney.
Samba, idli, dosa, chutney.
Because in Bangalore, I am eating dosa only from past 3 days. You know,
Say again?
in Bangalore, I am only eating dosa from past 3 days.
Only dosa. Dosa is the best.
Dosa is the best, but
Once-
how much you can eat? I'm bored of dosa now. In Delhi, they are very great, right? You have rice, chickpeas, really nice food.
Yeah.
But here's dosa, sambar, idli, chutney.
It's nice. With mandatory health insurance,
Yeah.
so a lot gets covered, but you first have to go to your GP,
Huh?
and usually it takes very long to get an appointment, and then you
Okay.
get a referral letter for the specialist.
Huh.
Then you do an appointment with that, and then you sometimes have to wait a few months.
If you
Or
are really sick in Germany, you can't straight go to a doctor.
well, you can go to the emergency of the hospital, but even then, sometimes you have to wait for hours.
Oh.
Yeah.
Indian healthcare is really nice. I know that.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can go there anytime, but you have
So that's where I went. So 50 euros,
Yeah.
5,000 rupee or whatever it was, everything.
Everything
So
is
it did-
perfect, right?
Yeah, so cardiologist, they did like ultrasound, they did even dentist,
Dentist also?
gynecologist, everything. Yes,
In 5,000.
yes, and I also got dosa.
Dosa free.
Yeah, it was
Free.
included. Yes.
5,000 में सारे टेस्ट डोसा भी भाई साहब.
Yeah, so I can
लूट गई
recommend.
मैडम डोसा.
If you're ever in India, do full body health checkup. It's the first time I did it in my whole life.
Oh.
Yeah.
How was it? It must be scary. They must have took your blood from like your veins.
Oh yeah, look.
Huh? Oh.
Yeah. Okay, so apparently there's a lot of reputation about Delhi boys.
Yeah.
Why is
Delhi
that so?
boys are really nice. They're really pretty. They have a sharp jawline. They have curly hair. They're the best guys in India.
And why do they have a bad reputation?
Bad reputation, like people think. People think Delhi guys are like lafangas. You know lafanga meaning?
No.
Like they don't care about anything. They just
Oh.
live their life. They don't give a shit
And
about
do you
it.
care?
I care about everything. I care about your health. Are you okay? Lisa, are you okay?
Yes. Okay, what if not? What if not?
But if not,
What if I'm not okay?
let's go to hospital. Let's go to hospital. Sorry. Let me take you to the hospital. We guys care a lot. Like people from Delhi are really emotional.
Emotional.
We are really emotional. If you will cry, I'll cry. If you laugh, I'll
Oh.
laugh. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, really.
Very
if you will dance,
empathetic.
I'll dance.
Okay.
So yeah, second question. Ask me second question. Yeah.
Okay, second question.
Now fast.
Ah,
Fast. She's blank. Yeah.
okay. If you had the chance to write a song and make a hit, what would it be?
Song.
Yeah. A song about Indian food.
Sambar, dosa, idli, chutney,
Sambar
dosa, idli, chutney. There's a song, sambar, dosa, idli, chutney.
Oh, I thought you made it up.
It's a song. It's already hit. But
okay,
you should
okay.
make a song about Rajma Chawal.
Rajma chawal.
Rajma Chawal is a North Indian food. You should be like, Rajma Chawal, pyaj, pyaj, pyaj.
Rajma chawal.
Pyaj,
Pyaj, pyaj, pyaj. Is that a thing?
I'm
Or did
telling
you
you.
just make that up?
It's not a song, but you can make it.
Yay,
So guys, you have one life. You should live it. See, Lisa, see me. We don't have money. We are broke. She have a lot of money, guys. I'm telling you. I am broke, but I'm living life. I'm happy. We are composing a new song for her. So you should be happy, guys. Okay. What do you want to say to the people who are lost in their life? Some guys are crazy after a girl. So girl is not responding back. What should they do?
They should come up with a better date idea.
What's the best date idea according to you? Like if someone is taking on your date, how a date should go? Yeah, this is the nice slide. Yeah. If someone is like, Lisa, let's go on a date.
Okay,
How you want a date should go like?
that's a good question. Yeah, I only know how to complain, but I don't even know the answer. Hey?
Yeah. You have just
Okay.
Yeah.
My idea would be
Yeah.
take her to something really cool, like something that would also be fun doing with a friend, you know, like something where it's not so awkwardly just a date.
Yeah. Like not having just lunch, drinks. Take her somewhere out.
Okay.
Okay. That's it.
Okay.
So-
Okay, so what do you think is a good date idea?
Ah,
You as a Delhi boy.
dosa, idli, sambar, chutney. Having dosa.
Having dosa.
Having dosa, having idli.
Okay, so if a girl is not responding to you,
If she's not responding to a dosa.
you're gonna say, hey, let's have a dosa together.
Yeah, dosa makes everything works. I'm telling you, crispy dosa. If I'll take you to
Okay.
a good dosa place, you won't be impressed. Very tasty dosa, very
Okay.
crispy. You'll be impressed, right?
Okay, let's see about that.
Lisa, you're so fun. I'm telling you.
Thank you.
So now I'm telling you, like when I'll post this video, so many guys will be commenting down. Lisa, you're so cute. Lisa, let's meet. So just tell them कि we both are really busy in our life. We'll meet you guys after hitting 1 million subscribers. Okay, guys. I can meet you after 100k, but she'll meet you after 1 million. What's the threshold? Like, what's the threshold of your subscriber after which you can arrange a meetup with your subscribers?
100k.
100k.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll arrange a meetup, guys, in Goa.
In Goa.
In Goa. You have to fly down to meet us.
In Goa, Bangalore,
Yeah. Delhi,
Delhi,
Berlin,
and Bombay.
Berlin as well.
Berlin as well.
Yeah. You must be having your fans in Berlin as well, right? No, thank you. देखो भाई, हमें अंग्रेज, मेरे को भी अंग्रेज समझ रहा है. I think he also thinks like I'm a foreigner when I'm working with you.
Why?
I think so.
But you look like Indian, no? I think you want to walk. Yeah, people don't walk for fun here. So when you walk, they think you're walking because you couldn't find an Uber.
What's your view on arranged marriage which happens in India? The guy doesn't see the girl doesn't see the guy. They just get married and have everything like. Yeah.
To me, it's really strange, hey? I
Yeah.
mean,
For me as well, it's really strange.
yeah, how is it like for you? I think
It's
that's
very
a better
strange
question.
for me. Yeah, it's very strange. Like you're going in your bedroom and there's a person sitting who you don't know.
Yeah, and then you have to stay together for life.
Yeah.
So imagine that happens,
Yeah.
and you don't get along well. Then you're gonna blame your parents for being miserable.
Yeah. That's the thing in India. That's why divorces are happening, you know.
But you know what I heard is that it's more like you have dating platforms
Yeah.
like Tinder,
Yeah.
or you can use your parents as a dating platform.
Yeah.
So they kiss.
I'm having chai. You're having?
Iced coffee.
Yeah. You don't like chai?
I do. Actually, I should have taken chai too.
No. But it's hot.
Yeah, but this has caffeine. Does a chai have caffeine?
Chai also have caffeine.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Guys, we are starting again our German and Hindi session. So now I'll teach her few Hindi words. She'll teach me few German words again. Start.
Let's go.
Yeah. Let's go. You go. Start. Say something.
Okay. Vrachtschiff.
Fachchef.
Okay.
It was perfect, right?
Yes, it was really good.
I'm always perfect, guys. Yeah.
Okay. Berufsschule.
Berufsschule.
Say Talahun.
Chalahon. I'm always perfect, guys.
Do you want to know what it means?
I don't want to know the meaning. What's the meaning?
It's like someone that looks like a bit tacky, someone that's like,
Someone that's like me.
are you Talahun?
What does it mean?
Leute, ist das ein Talahun oder nicht?
I don't get it. Like, what's the meaning of this?
Someone that's tacky.
Tacky means I don't know the meaning of tacky.
Oh, like trashy.
Trash you. No. You just said me trash. Bye. I'll be
Are you
sad.
German? Can you not take a joke?
Like-
I learned today
Yeah.
that men from Delhi are very emotional.
Yeah. We are not emotional at all.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll teach you a Hindi word. उत्कर्ष तू इतना प्यारा क्यों है? उत्कर्ष तू इतना प्यारा क्यों है? नहीं उत्कर्ष तू इतना प्यारा क्यों है? This means Utkarsh, why you so cute?
Oh.
Thank you, Lisa, for saying me cute. Yeah, thank you. Okay, now you teach me a final word.
Okay.
So that will be the end of our German and Hindi session. Yeah, it's empty.
Barbaras Rabababa.
Papagas ba 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 ba.
Barbaras Rabababa.
Papagas ba 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 ba.
Yeah.
Final. So,
Give me the end, boss. Give me like a very difficult word.
very difficult.
Difficult sentence.
यू विचार ने सब्सक्राइब कर दिए ना गोली चाल जागी यू विचार ने सब्सक्राइब कर दिए
क्यों मैंने नया सब्सक्राइब कर रही है
यू विचार ने सब्सक्राइब कर दिए ना गोली चाल जागी
कोनी का सब्सक्राइब पर बना नहीं कोई चाहना नहीं
दिस मेंट डू सब्सक्राइब यू विचार अदरवाइज आई विल शूट यू
Okay.
Okay guys, so this was it for this vlog. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, take care, मजे लेते रहो. You have one life, and now Lisa will say bye to you
Bye.
in nice way. Not just say bye. You should be like bye, take care, have fun. Enough like yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Guys, we love you. Bye guys, take care, have sweet dreams. Something like this.
Okay. Bye, guys. Have a sweet dream.
Okay guys, bye. Love you. Take care. See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.